Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of consumer goods to bring you the best picks for your everyday needs. Today, we're delving into the world of coffee mugs, specifically the Amazon Basics Porcelain Coffee Mug Set. If you're on the hunt for the best white mugs for crafts, look no further, because we've got you covered. Crafters and coffee enthusiasts alike, brace yourselves for the ultimate combination of style, durability, and versatility. This set of 12 12-ounce porcelain coffee mugs is not only perfect for sipping your favorite brew, but it's also a crafter's dream canvas. Crafters, imagine the endless possibilities. Whether you're into hand painting, decoupage, or vinyl designs, these mugs provide the perfect blank slate for your creative endeavors. From personalized gifts to custom creations for your own home, these mugs are your go-to canvas. And with a 12-piece set, you'll have plenty to work with for all your crafting projects. But let's not forget about their practicality. Made from premium porcelain, these mugs are built to withstand the test of time. They're oven, microwave, and freezer safe, so you can enjoy hot beverages or chill your favorite drinks with ease. Plus, their stackable design makes for convenient storage, whether you're stocking up for a crafting marathon or simply tidying up your kitchen cabinets. And here's the best part. These mugs were previously branded as Amazon Commercial, known for their quality and reliability. Now, under the Amazon Basics brand, you can trust that you're getting top-notch products at an unbeatable value. So, there you have it, folks. The Amazon Basics Porcelain Coffee Mug Set is not just your average mug, it's a crafter's best friend. With its durable construction, versatile design, and unbeatable value, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen or crafting space. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy crafting and happy sipping.